everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Perry's having a great day. Looking forward to the long weekend, staying safe and all that fun stuff. Still no border closed, so anyways, we're still getting parcels, so we'll see what happens. Probably next year, that's what they're saying. So I hope everybody's doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Alright, so today I have a Pandora unboxing. Comes in a box like this, normally. And I'm going to be having some more Pandora coming my way. I'm collecting the 20-year charms. So this is part of it, and then the rest, they come out on the 20th of every month until December. So I'll be getting the September one shortly. It's still not out. And then, you know, the following months. And then I have the other charms coming, so. Alright, so who knows when they'll be coming, but we'll see what happens. Got my blade. Okay, let's see if we can open this up. These are, oh, that was easier than I thought. Alright, usually they're super hard. Alright, they come in a box like that. It says Pandora on it, with the little crown, basically. Alright, and what did I get? I got the 20th anniversary jewel and the limited edition T-bar. Okay, so I'll leave all the details in the subscription box. They come with a care and warranty card. Looks like that. And if you get anything from the 20 series, you'll get a little card like that. And this is the, let's see here, the Love Dice charm. This is from August. And that tells you all about it, basically. Comes in a box like this, pretty nice.
I like my new shirt.
Oh wow, that's really nice.
Nice,
look
eh?
at Ted's shirts.
How am I doing?
He got some new shirts from Hudson Bay today, so they look really good on him. He got a lot of compliments at Hudson Bay, and we went and had coffee. And so a lady came up to him and said how good he looked. So he was pretty happy about that. He loves it. Alright, so it comes in a package like that, which is pretty cool. It says 20 on it with the little crown, and then it has Pandora. So that's the collection for this year because of the 20-year anniversary. Oh wow, what's this? I thought this was something else. Oh, okay, this is the, I'm sorry, this is the free gift. This is the jewelry box. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. Okay. There you go. It's pink. Let's see how to open this thing here. Alright. Oh, you just pop it open. Duh. And you put your bracelet in the middle, and then all the charms go in there. So that's pretty cool. And this just says 20th, and it just pops open. Okay, that's not too difficult. You know, when you're trying to do something and then you make it more difficult than it really is. Story of my life. All right. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so this is my bracelet. This isn't the 20th anniversary bracelet, but it's pretty nice. They're probably going to come out with one, I'm thinking, for the collection, because the lady told me every month on the 20th you can order a new thing for the 20-year anniversary, right? And I'm thinking probably in December, like for Christmas time, they're gonna have the they're not gonna have like a charm, they're gonna have like the bracelet to put the charms on. That's just what I'm speculating, because they've already came out with the safety chain. So if they came out with the safety chain, why wouldn't they come out with a charm bracelet? So that's just what I'm thinking. So do you guys have any inside scoop or anything like that? Leave it in the comments below. That would be super cool. Some people know more of things coming out. I have no idea. All right, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is the rose gold toggle bracelet. Okay, this is pretty cool. And it just goes like that. Let's see here, how does it go? Yeah, that's right, okay. And you just go like that. And then you put it on with the toggle. Okay, that's gonna make it, see the bracelet here? It has the toggle.
Oh yeah.
And then it goes in like that. It's
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
cool.
Hmm.
Alright, so that's my first thing I'm unboxing. Alright, that's pretty nice.
Did you get the charms too?
Yeah, well the other charms are coming, but this is just the August charm. Alright, this is the August charm here for the 20th anniversary. And that is the dice.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that's pretty cool.
Shaky, you might win the lottery.
That'd be nice. Alright, let's see if we can open that up. There we go. Yeah, and these charms are, all Pandora charms really aren't that big. But they do look nice. You do get a lot of compliments on them. So if you're really into that, definitely check it out. And this is, it says, I love you. That's pretty cool. But see how small they are though? They're pretty tiny. But this has gold in it as well. This is silver and gold, and it's the dice for August. Then it has some writing, I love you. If you can, it's kind of hard to see. But I'll leave pictures on Instagram if you're interested. Go check that out. I'm Susan Senior Style. I post every single day, so make sure that you follow me there. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell. All that fun stuff. Another thing, this is the bag that I'm rocking for this week. This is my 60th anniversary Dooney and Burke Sleeping Beauty edition. This is a collaboration with Dooney and Burke and Disney. So this is a satchel bag similar to the Speedy. Has little tassels there, and it also has a strap. Alright, that's the bag I'm rocking for this week. Alright, so if you want to see anything from my different collections, let me know. I'll be more than happy to show what I have. I do have some more charms coming. I have a few more items coming that I'm waiting on. Still haven't received them yet, but It's the way it is when you're locked out of the border. You can't get over, so you got to just depend on the Canada Post and pray that the shipping is not outrageous, but that's just the way it goes. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. And leave comments about Ted's shirts below. He loves to hear your comments.
I'd love to hear that.
Alright, well thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Bye guys.